when it was dark outside.
He was scared when it was dark?
Yeah, but that's dark in the Saurus.
Oh.
The Saurus is about to die by the zoo. You know who lives at the Saurus?
Who lives at the forest?
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs?
Yeah, they live in the Saurus.
Really?
But sometimes raccoons don't like them.
Why?
Raccoons don't like them.
Why don't raccoons like the dinosaurs in the forest?
You like not the mean ones, but you don't like the mean ones, but you like the nice ones.
The nice dinosaurs?
Yeah, you like the nice ones.
So those guys are friends.
Yeah.
But the mean dinosaurs are not friends with the raccoons.
No, I know, but when a raccoon finds a good dinosaur, it will find a little baby dinosaur.
Aww.
And the little baby dinosaur will find a raccoon and it will be friends.
Really?
Yes.
That'd be sweet.
And the little baby dinosaur will help him get back to his house.
Oh, that's a good friend.
He knows where he's going.
Yeah?
Those dinosaurs know where they're going.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey,
Hey.
you know the raccoon's back home now, and the little dinosaurs found it for him.
Oh, good thing.
And now it's not dark in the forest anymore.
Good, because it's daytime?
Yeah, because it's daytime out here.
Oh,
I hope he's okay.
I'm sure he's okay.
I hope he's crying and not crying.
You hope he's not crying.
I hope he's not crying, Mama.